Hello guys, welcome back to the Planet V and to a new adventure. Today we're gonna revisit the country which is the birthplace of democracy, that is Greece. We're gonna fly with Aegean Airlines, which is also the flag carrier of the country. Just arrived in Athens, guys. We were supposed to take the train, but we decided to have it see. We just finished checking in, and we're now in the Athenaeum Grand Hotel. So tomorrow we'll be revisiting those historical sites here in Athens. See you guys. The Hadrian's library could be easily accessed from Monastiraki. It was built in 132 AD during the reign of Roman Emperor Hadrian. It was designed to hold rolls of papyrus books. We are now at the Roman Forum, wherein you will find the Tower of the Winds, which is considered as the world's first meteorological station. The Roman Agora is only a short distance from the Ancient Agora. During the reign of Julius and Augustus Caesar in the 1st century BC, this market and collection of buildings were constructed. The Gate of Athena is its main entrance. I am now inside the Ancient Agora, guys. The entrance fee to this one is €5. You might ask me, why didn't I get the combo ticket, which includes all of those major sites here in Athens? The reason for that is I decided not to go inside the two of those sites which are included in the ticket, because I thought I could have a good view of those sites directly from the street without going inside. My main reason why I'm gonna visit this one is that one. I don't know if you could see it. That is Emperor Hadrian, the headless statue. It's autumn here in Greece, but it feels like summer. By the way, Greece has recorded the warmest temperature in all of Europe. I'm lucky. The place is not so packed today. I visited this one already with Volt before. There were a lot of people. Now at the Temple of Hephaestus, which is one of the well-preserved temples here in Athens. The Temple of Hephaestus was built in the 5th century BC to honor Hephaestus, the patron god of fire, metalworking, and craftsmanship. Athens, guys, you will definitely encounter one of these cats. The Ancient Agora is located nearby the archaeological site of Acropolis. This area was used as a marketplace, a gathering place, and a residential area for over 5,000 years. The vast site is littered with ruins of buildings and walkways, but there are, however, two major sites that you have to see here, which are the Temple of Hephaestus and the Stoa of Attalos. This area was a covered walkway erected by and named after King Attalos II of Pergamon, who ruled between 159 and 138 BC. The Museum of the Ancient Agora is housed in the existing structure. I'm about to go out now, guys. For this place, I think you need around 1.5 hours to really or fully enjoy it. That is excluding the Stoa of Attalos. We are now at the Areopagus, or the Hill of Ares, which was the place where law and philosophy were both discussed, and this is also the place where Saint Paul, or the Apostle Paul, had one of his most important speeches. This place offers a very good view of the vast landscape of Athens and, of course, the Acropolis.
So we have to do our very important speech here. What it will be about.
When you climb to the top of Areopagus and gaze out at the magnificent view, remember that you are standing on the grounds of ancient Athens' criminal court, the same ground where the 12 Olympians stood and established justice in the mortal world. The Odeon of Herodes Atticus was the venue of the Miss Universe 1973, wherein Miss Philippines Margie Moran won the crown. Herodes Atticus erected this theater in 161 AD as a memorial to his Roman wife. It was used as a venue for music events which can accommodate over 5,000 spectators. The theater featured a 35-meter wide semicircular orchestra as well as various windows for placing statues. The Odeon remained in use until the Herules invaded Athens in 267 AD. We are on our way to the Acropolis, and then along the way you will find a lot of very good restaurants, and of course you need to have strong legs. Be prepared. How could you imagine Athens without the Acropolis hills, guys, right? And of course, the imposing Parthenon. We are here now inside this place, and I think for Valdis and me together, this is our third. This is my fourth because I went here with the UPC ambassadors, and what you see behind me, that's a Parthenon. So we'll tour you around, guys. Athens came from a legend wherein the people were looking for the patron for the city. There was Poseidon and Athena, and they had to present their gifts to the city. So the first one was Poseidon. I think he gave the city with water, but it was salty, so it's rejected. And Athena gave the olive tree, and of course people thought that the olive will give oxygen and food, and they chose her. So the temple that you see behind us is the temple offered to Poseidon. That is to appease him after the people chose Athena to be the patron of the city. What you see behind me, guys, are the ruins of the old Temple of Athena, and you could imagine those Doric columns in there. During the Persian War, it was destroyed, and then some of the pieces from these ruins, they incorporated it in the northern wall of the Acropolis, and they say that they deliberately did not restore this one as a reminder, actually, of the cruelty of the Persians during that time, or maybe they just don't have enough money to restore it. Acropolis Hill is without a doubt the city's most unique landmark and by far its most popular tourist attraction. That's why if you only have a few hours in Athens, this is where you must go. The fortified hill is referred to as the Acropolis. Several significant sites are located on and around this hill. The Parthenon is the most well-known, but there are also the Temple of Athena Nike, the Erechtheion, Herodes Atticus Odeon, and Dionysius Theater. The Parthenon is a majestic marble temple dedicated to the Greek goddess Athena. It was built between 447 and 432 BC during the height of the ancient Greek Empire. The Persian destruction of Athens occurred in 480 BC when Persian soldiers under the command of King Xerxes I destroyed both the Acropolis and the city of Athens. If you want to see the artifacts taken after the war, the Acropolis Museum is the place to go as it houses artifacts discovered on the Acropolis and its surroundings. Once again, thank you for joining the Planet B, guys. I hope you enjoy this tour. So don't forget to post your comments, like, and of course, subscribe. I'm gonna see you on my next vlog.